product we're testing today is a 20-minute dental white. This one is just around $20 and it says in 20 minutes, so just one application you can see a difference. We're gonna chug some coffee to try to give us a better idea of the transition because my teeth aren't quite that bad as the before picture. And I have our News 3 morning blend to get me going. So let's make some coffee. All right, now that I've had enough coffee, my teeth are probably completely stained. Let's go whiten these bad boys. Ew, I got goo on my hand. Aha.
You know, it's not easy getting excited about stuff. Remember how you felt when you thought you seen Roger Clemens?
I do feel like they're a little bit whiter. I have very sensitive teeth and it caused me no pain, no tingling. So for a one-time use, if you're just trying to whiten a little, I'd say it's worth it. I think it helped.